oh my God, oh my God. Esther Dokpaji. I wish, I better could call lady also come. I know they feel they shout. You know, say if a Caterian they talk, they get as a Caterian until they talk. I know be that presenter. If she just they talk, oh why nyaga. You know they know the difference between a Caterian and somebody who not be a Caterian. I never see this kind of thing before. Esther Dokpaji la renia. Okay. La rest Dokpaji. That you know, me soldier. Ya wa joy wa give you a salute. Ije. When you were only me. Ije me. Meeting and a bay. Oh, ni waba when I do it tikele. Oh, mommy, who not riba mo. When this cocobiri laugh for my head. I thought they laugh like in there. I said, don't buy it. She didn't talk up for media, yo. But they say it will fair day. This lady laugh for my head. He put her for audio. They share and they go for WhatsApp. When I don't hear see that kind of thing before. The people, when she go tell, say, Joy, say, make una do like this. Joy, do this one for her body. Now the people, constantly, they call me, they tell me, say, Sister Joy, when did this lady tell us? I don't know. The way she take up this thing no happen like this. Now, dear for no say, this lady, she vibe your body. What did happen? I can't tell them, say, see what did they happen, oh. Now they say they thought as much. Oh, okay. That Kokobiri wife, she can lie for Africa, even for Europe self. They will give her award. Rita, so you feel beat this girl. This girl she could cry. She was just crying. Now the second time why they see her say she dey cry, she dey do like somebody where they coin for head. Like the time she first go meet the proud mom, she say, hey, single mother, they know they take water. And when they take water, their head for they come down. Proud mom like that on top of bed, they talk to you like a Cateria where she be. See somebody when they take water, she called the shot like Ekita. I don't want to make her use the word for English because of Facebook. She called the shot like Ekita. Wait, born one picking. Why? I say, who could they take water between this lady and proud mom? I don't understand. Are you gonna love since daddy? I can't love proud mom. The way she they talk to her slowly. I can't remember that year when a Caterian will come for our area that time. The way they talk, those women. Now so she continued they talk to Kokobiri wife. Kokobiri wife for those they shout wah. I say, hey Jimmy, but now can be rain. Now that much she want to do with me. Now I say, I reject it in the morning. I reject it in the afternoon and I reject it in the evening. Even in the night, he rejected it. I walk Kokobiri. So that character, you go to, you don't see who you want to go meet. You just say, nah, Lady Monica. When you just beat you once, twice, you just rest. You know that one, she's not that kind to beat you again. You see, Esther, I tell you, they want video where I do. Maybe you not listen to the video. I wish you listen to her. Maybe if you don't withdraw. I tell you, say, you see Esther, lady or song, she go beat you, hands down, one. She go turn you like this for grand. Because nothing the way you can talk. Apart from that way you talk, say her husband, this thing is small. Her daughter breast, it dey like this. What do you expect? Person will get big breast. If that breast stand, you don't say that breast go reach the front of this man, this glass. How that kind of breast will stand? What you God take bless that girl? You want to make she dey cry? Esther, lady of song, never rest, oh. You never see do and finish, oh. Because that time when she cry, Abba, she'll just cry like that. The cry no long reach. I want long one. Enoka about what, sir? So that the day when she'll come out for me, because she said she did do press up for me. Said the day when she go come out for me, first of all, she go kill my page. After that one, she go buy my page. After that one, she'll come out for me. She go tell her puppies, may they call the saga me. My dear, you see, I go drop my children for school right now. Very soon now, I'll still come pick my son here. In the afternoon, I go work. Your Kokobiri husband, then is a moe, the guy will cash that, pardon. Tell her, because he not tell you how to respect joy. You understand? He never see tell you say, joy not the shout. And then is a moe, pardon. Yeah, moe di goe. You not tell you say, like your mommy, you they talk to like this. You know, remind you. You're there for me that they do nyaga. Oh, Salobua. So I back you know what do you make do? This way the followers that they do so. Egbonna. Oh, people there for media, don't they praise you, they give you one kind name like that. They don't see you for granted. Kokobiri, you when I water. I tell you that lie when you put for my head. One no one, not two. You just say if you do that, they'll carry you near, but all of them know you. I tell you that lie when you put for my head, you are going to suffer for it. They say 10 years, I'll be 100 years, not be forever. You like that lie, you call the Sharon, you call the I can't tell you, so everybody can't know you. They say, give your joy. You don't know this girl. Wait till concern this girl. I said I want to know now this nonsense for they see her. Now only her husband.
Good morning, Joy God. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Just to clean up cause women, children take breakfast. Make me to take breakfast. Don't say where they still break. Now good morning. I bet with this one they listening to. Now handover for handover. They call the city 9 she day. They say city with tiffy content ayemi unta. Okay? She know her very well. She even know the Kokobiri where she the package to sample for us for media. Okay? I just want more than listen. I never listen. I just make a listing with you people on my page. So may we listen together. Why get busy? Yeah?
Her husband was my co-choir. That one, no, they deny her. Now, the same choir, me and her husband fed there before for one church.
No, they yeah.
More, I'm not worried. Eat this thing. Anything when you take...
The man acquire, no more that Esther say, he dey dress son. He dey dress the man we call her like choir master. He said this woman say, Kokobiri na choir, the same choir the day before. Now, as he enter TV content, enter social media, he can't dey lie, say the man a pastor. Because he see Monica, say that one husband, they do Bible study or whatsoever. She can't see lie, say Kokobiri na pastor. I don't know why this girl, she dey live her life as a copycat. She not get her own pattern, her own style, her own unique being. She not get her. She wants to copy what others they do. You hear this woman? Say Kokobiri they were in the same choir. Person where they choir, not be even choir master now. Now choir, the same choir they. When TV content enter social media, he can't lie, say the man a pastor. No wonder the man go wear coats, go call the preach upside down. In the beginning, she just copied that from others, especially Monica, to come and Jesus. If I just get my time, I make I wash cup when I dey wash. He the tired person for real. Her lifestyle is so upside down. Everybody are unique in their own way. You understand? Nobody is just empty. But I don't know why she choose to live a copycat life. When other presenter make a comment, she wants to copy that comment. When other presenter act in a certain way, she wants to act in that certain way. When other presenter dress on their birthday, she wants to copy that dress. She should just live a copy life. And such people will always make mistake in their life. Because we as human, we are all unique in our own way. Not be the way I think they do my things, you think they do your thing. Everybody have their own style, their own way of talking, of doing, of thinking and everything. But how can you be emulating, copying others to live your life? If I come to the conclusion to say, that is why her life is so full of mistakes. This is the reason why she makes several mistakes in her life. Why can you be looking people to live your life? No. As we are, our faces are different, so everything about us are different. So why will you live your life based on, you see A do like this, you want to do like this. You see B do like that, you want to do like that. You don't get your own way of life. No wonder. Felicia carry Oyibo, Italian Oyibo born for. She go carry Moroccan. She always do opposite. She wants to copy, but she don't even know how to copy right. She wants to copy, she will go and do it the bad way. She go even copy people dressing where they wear for their birthday. She go carry. So, in fact, I don't know, the locality way. I don't know they ever enter. Because it not be original. Because when you do your original you do the real you. But when you are trying to copy people, because that is not your style, that is not your way, it not go enter, it not go well. It's so crazy. More than listening to this woman. We know her, they're the same city. And the woman know Kokobiri very well. She made me sure of, I just listened to myself, okay, let me bring it here. Since I'm going to be busy in the kitchen, what my children use for breakfast before going to school, let me just play it. While I listen, you guys listen as well.
Time goes, everybody go know you. They say, give girl joy. You not this girl. Wait till concern this girl. I say I want to know. Now this concern for they see her. Now only her husband I know. Her husband was my co-choir. That one no they deny him. Choir. Now the same choir na me and her husband fed day before for one church. But I'm not worried. If this thing, anytime when she take commands. If she mention my name, say I mean she won't call the saga today, no problem. I know they feel they shout. I'll come out. I know the saga, but everything when she thinks say presenters not get anything about her. Nine. Everything, real story. I go so president. I go the nanana. As you they read for small people, you say sit down. I go they read and come out. Area I go. I no go stress myself. Go they make nyaga for you. Wow. See the way lady or son and her husband. I know say those people they are mad now. A destiny say no this one. I go put a bag journal. Destiny say you fed fish for Oka market. Rita, oh yeah, oh so oh destiny walk out to a head here the Oka market. I'm going to sell fish. Rita, it's like I'm shouting. I don't want to shout. Oh God, Jesus, have mercy. That doesn't you don't come up with say Anova. You know because they disgrace Anova people like this, it don't the way you they do. If all these media people, if they know you, if they hear your story, you'll see. Now you'll see how they will carry stick. I just have to the boast. If you carry lady or son than her husband, you put their own one, you go carry them like this, you throw them come out na lie. A lady or something, always a lady herself, I twale. Lagumela to bajo. This one also, you know they like African food though. No. If you cook the food, she go like her. Okobiri wife, the thing is smelly. She not go cook, but if you cook her, she will like it. She will even take away to her home. You get man. I don't know her like that. Anybody when she sees sister, though, good afternoon, she don't greet you finish, you can't do this thing for your body. Iruamsa, she got a cigar, they follow you. She got a cigar, they follow you. By force, may she for be your friend. She can't take light, they spoil everywhere. Mothers are not about big rich before you go come out. Which one person will come and come talk better thing about you? Nobody. Nobody. Because who's down? Lady Asogio, never enter, so come and don't go make pay. Or once and a hour, pien. And she just cried. Now my ringing to be that now. Oh, now the phone they use, I forgot the phone. I'm making her the hear and the way she got it, they cry. My chef asked me yesterday, who they cry there? I said, now 1 year, Coco Biri wife, BJ. And she goes, say, I say, yes. So I think I'm doing it to say, joy. I say, yes now. Because I hear somebody. Almost. I don't know, say the mama now that cashew, hey, give me this girl, like she, if I tell her what she say, I'm not for the work. I thought that this is a better person. I don't know, say I'm not the work for that kind of place. Felicia! Oh, Felicia don't suffer for this girl. Felicia! You go shake your head. Anyway, make a reserve. You reserve the no, they are going now. We then next time I saga where I said you cannot Latina. Na. And the truth, oh, I'm not going to talk anything way if you like. My life, Felicia will talk say, this woman you talk like. Anybody want to tell if my life will talk say you talk like. Where? Any association where you join, all of them scatter. Church is scatter. We made this thing for church. Also, right? The meeting where you join is scatter. Like no community. Ubeya, gweze. Oh, the normal no babos.
Una dey hear story. So are people wey know the same city with tiffy content wey know her. Una dey hear story. You see character. You carry it everywhere you go. Egiamulei, Bonata yo veno. Ola wo de obege wea. Bona, owale, bona gbinwegbe. Na so character be. Una dey hear? Same thing she carry come meet us for this social media. Same thing. Now they hear a story where this woman they throw away 1 for the same city 9 day. Now they see her.
Who the lads in the media? I'm a doctor. Which doctor? If was Hillary Nossi, they not go carry you. Which school you go? Huh? You are breaking your lavena. If I go was sick, you live. 1 million. Any aya way, I mean. Yeah, what about you won't make any Jenny, not breaking your lavena, the autobahn lavena. Because anytime I see that they beat you like this, I they love her. People say, maybe I be wicked person. I not be wicked person, oh. Because this lady, her mind is no good. She do get one kind of bad mind like that. She not she they do the thing, she not they look back. She will just they talk the thing poor. Can you imagine? Okay, you say this thing is able you go saga a parkobe. That time you on a parkobe now they play, but it was talking because of a nogi. Meanwhile, that time you on a nogi, never they play. So a person will give you.
I want to ask one question. Late content. There was one time she was Sagari a parkobe. I be when I not see that video. If I not see, I make I go bring her my computer phone. Where she the line now say this neighbor go pay her, offer her 2 million. She can't reject to Saga a parkobe. There was a time this girl even caused the enemy of a parkobe, drag him on social media, 1 or 2 video, I fit go find her comment. I'll complain. When I remember, if I not remember, if I want to go bring the video, I go look for her. So find video, no, they had me. I know where to get her. Not be from evil and wow. Bloggers, we carry and I'll go bring her from there. Where she just, this girl too, they lie. She too, they lie. She be Confucianist. And she's a Confucianist. She too, they lie. Huh? Just to cause chaos. Then she take away that word though, because there's my back word expose her. She can't take beg. May go up and bail the mama and the papa for his say. But she said they never arrested her mother and her father. Say now questioning and answering they invited for. Who they invite for questioning and answer, they bail them. Don't be who they throw for back of counter put for his say. Don't be that they bail. She can lie. She can lie. Crow. Shit. Crow and lie. My brother and sister they be. She can lie. Jesus. She drag her Kobe. Maybe when I don't know me, I go find the video, bring comments. Why now you're not saying it? If I thought not true, which is not true. How come down and don't leak your secret and you can't take beg? May go help you pay your mama, your papa for fair. Now you can't say they offer you 2 million. Now who not get sense go believe that you go to that kind of thing go to day. Crow no go record the conversation. Even though done that by writing, no go get screenshots. I pray, oh, I pray. Talk of the ghost. I pray. I'm so happy, Shao. You see, her pretense didn't take her far. But still, people see, no, say she's evil with time. A lot of people not quit no. I'm so happy, say, you see, when you are faking it, it won't last long. That's why I love people that be themselves. I love people that just live their life, be natural, as in just be themselves. Not pretending to please no one. Be yourself. What you take, admit you take it. What you don't take, admit you don't take it. Don't pretend. How about say you good? No. You see, people like us, we're not sabi pretend. People don't like us, and I don't give a F. Person like me. Now, why I go care? My house, it is okay for me. My family is well okay and organized. I got so much love. So now social media love, I can't say if I not who care, I don't care. That's my kind of person. Now who they lack for inside house, one thing or the other. And I go, they say, oh, they look for the thing for outside. I'm not lacking nothing. That is why somebody like me, I cannot pretend for anything. Just to cajole your heart. No way. Well, me want to impress me, you love me. I don't even know whether you love yourself. So why will I bother? I know whether you even love yourself. Which love pass the love of your family? Which love pass that one? You know, they outside on na addition, na plus. Now who lack for inside as they also run for outside do or that affair. They try to go out of their way to be relevant or to fake it to please people. No, people like us, we don't do shit. We just be ourselves. Like it, good. You don't like it, to hell. That is it. Is what it is. I'm not coming to beg you food. So why should I pretend what I am not? Trying to pretend what I'm not. Why? What for? We help. So I'm so happy that this girl last. People are beginning to know her. She pretended. Even the Kokobiri she put for his ass. Kokobiri no say how many children she gets on a recent. One picky where she born through for Ogwomantia for Bini. Kokobiri is not aware. That is why she never made mention of it. I heard it when her father said it. I was on the phone. With the one where they worry, go arrest the family, the mama and the papa. I was on the phone when the father was lamenting to say, if you know they care for them, you know they give them the money, you don't know whether they exist. He carry Kokobiri for head. Picking when he born, when they deport him, he did go there for their one of their relative hand. You know they call that picking. I overheard it. But this girl never. Why is she not talking about that child? Because of Kokobiri. She's the secretive type. fake type that can never be real, that cannot come out because of desperation of she won't get married. Since Nigeria may rejected her, she had to fake pretend about her own child in Nigeria for Kokobiri to accept her. I'm so happy. In fact, I lack words to express how I'm happy. Say, this girl, people are beginning to know her. Real color. I'm excited about it. Every day for thief, one day for the owner. She does the thief people content all this while. People present as though they complain. She does they bring down people presenters page. They strike their page. They copyright their content to frustrate their page, to render their page, to reduce their page useless. But today, she now extended it to musician. But look at the shame she brought upon herself. When they not say person, no, they thought, then she continue, they do wah for her side. Go and check her comment section. They want curse and die. They want curse her head die. And then wanna listen, make her do it here, they do, Jerry.
Go give you 2M. You say you not go do the saga. If they give 50 alright to work the city here for. You go finish the whole city now. So more money like this, you go finish the whole city. Yes, now, carton of you dummy. Who you think they beat the whole city, not to talk or say 2M. You come back on the I don't know you for your life. All your lives. Actually, they talk, if some people, your contact, bloggers, you know, bloggers, my debani may not me where. If bloggers cut it is okay to show you the top. If Jesus no ba, say na la, better not go fit come out, come talk. I say, if you're ba, yeah, I know back when I think I'm an old woman, say, a baby up where, upon we are let you wear bazaze. A bazaze, and I am wallow well at you. Oh, no matter who to do. Hey, house where the so-called husband name not there. It don't do. Even when you there for another, your so-called husband name not there for your bed. And if I lie, Kotokan, it not there for your bed. My husband. You're the last single mother. You see, come what you want cut off my body? Single mother, you single mother, Urania. Egbo, my dear. Egbo, you are a lemon. Yeah. You go collect your this you go collect. You yourself you go collect for state because both of una address not there for the same place. Una can't join the money together. After they beat all of their rich, why you not bring your children this thing? Your children name come out, wait there for their passport, whether or not their papa name they. Come and show everybody.
When are they here? Tiffy content they claim marriage, but Kokobiri address not the government house where they give her. Which they claim say she died. This girl, they try to emulate some people for this social media, but all those ones which they emulate, they know how to put their fake life together in a way. But she want copy them, but she don't know how to make the lies. She don't know how to do the fake life. Say she buy house. That house where they from back enter, we not get frontage. 2 bedroom, being a 1.5 bedroom. Now you buy. Let me say that reminds me. When I mock her with I laugh. I mean, I know the microwave she feel they used before. I want these screenshots on my phone. The microwave she they used before. I can't laugh and say they know they use that type again. All those kind of microwave they wait get 1, 2, 3, wait get number where they crack like this. If you want to use one, you crack her like this. And now she get for a kitchen. Yesterday I found out that because I do video that I wish they challenge me. I say come before we enter into challenge, go change your microwave. Microwave that they use this in a screen touch. I video my own way there here. I video right now. I say microwave that they use over the years now. That one in 1964 they use that type. 12 microwave where she even pick for streets. I say na screen touch microwave that they use now. They press your thing like pum 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 pum. I can't do video. I can't show my own. I can't do video. Say, I beg, before we start the challenge, which she not even feel do, she run away. The moment she see my first son car, she not feel continue, she run. Because she not say, evidence, let me I like. You buy her someone abroad. Let's prove it. What do you get? And I say, go change your microwave. Don't they use that type again? She did backward. Like MC Happiness there, I say she be 2005. She's really backward. When she did do video yesterday, I think I watched few minutes of the video. I saw when she was in her kitchen, I saw that she had changed the microwave. She still went for the lowest grade. Anyway, it's better. It's better than nothing. I must be honest. It's better than nothing. After a while, they say, if they never mock you with something, you know they change her. Go reach Papa and Mama will born her. Look at the way they are living in abject poverty. She could not even meet up on that till now. After many years of the way her Papa and Mama shame and disgrace, they fall out. Because she's fond of beating people's family, talking down people's family. And it has to happen to her too. She has not been able to meet up with that. Actually, they see sis Hollandis. Buy her for your mama. Video run. Make sure you use her soap or any style. Video run post. Like she was not able to do that. But she's packaging kokobiri. Shame on her. She can't go change microwave. When they see carry a nyash come out, a flat nyash for a demofi party. Now Monica still advise her say she go to wear nyash because that one they wear nyash too. She can't to when come they wear nyash after a while. Before she go the letter they turn her back. People must give her a push. The DJ marriage where she go do for Nigeria. Now the one where they born Belgium, Monka. Say after you don't born for many nations. Kokobiris, they do you free of charge after so many years. What do they do? Now that one still more, and then she by force herself carry Kokobili single-handedly without no family member of Kokobili go do DJ marriage. Most people tell you about your life where you are missing before you realize you are missing in that area. This girl don't get common sense. That's why life is full of so many mistakes. It's okay to make mistake in life. Nobody is perfect. But when someone continues to repeat mistake, is a problem. It's not nice. You made mistake too. It's fine to make mistake. But that mistake, you have to learn from it and make sure that mistake never repeats. But no, our own case not be like that. Why? Because she does not live her life. She live a life of copy. Just look at. She go change the microwave. The microwave she even bear. Where every time will be that kind of 60-year-old. It's so it should try. At least I must commend her that she tried. Actually she tried the one she carried for second hand throwaway where they used for 1964. What's in the mocha? They don't mocha before she got the cover up and the go head. What is it? Only content. Have you two done enough? I say, what is it? Have you two done enough? What is your problem? Chai. Wanna listen, oh Jerry. Wanna listen.
Why am I even talking now, Seth? Yejo, why are you talking? Leave her first. It's just that the lie where she just the lie. Oh, what provoking. If you go see they cry, now you beat somebody. You call they cry, make them be sorry for you. I know one make them be sorry for you. Because they call where ma. Only a problem in him. Echo where ma, you do to offend a lot of people. I not be presenter. Now the same city me and you fed day. But this city, you don't to offend a lot of people. Normally, I should there for this city now. Say, okay, me myself, I don't come out for a say Nova because I newly come out. I see they call where I there Nova. Normally, say if you be better person, you yourself you be real better person. At least I should there for that place. People wait there for this city now. If I lie, make una talk now. At least all of us now, we go there where they praise our friend. We will there for the same city. No, you're not there like that. Oh, as in Rio, people still there. for this city. When you see the praise Ivierio, not be saying na go come. Forget say this thing. Ivierio people see there for this city. When you see the looker, when you go see the comment, yeah, me I dey see their comments. I praise therefore your own. The swallow we should not comment for your this thing. We don't comment for your platform. Who no know you? Esther, don't buy you. Who not want some kind small information? Call me. Call me for message. I go answer you. When I need to tell you what people. Move here like this. He go shock her. She not go believe her eyes. Rubbish. You say me. Like he say I go give a Ivierio. I go give a matter to Ivierio. Maybe Ivierio saga me. Ivierio look at it for finish you. That's why she can saga you. Now me call her beggar. Ask her. I call her for let the Jola who I beg. Leave this lady I beg. She said no. I said okay. Leave the children. Then you feel saga her. Not cause the children get beg. They don't do anything. Because those children I know them. Yeah. I got their dedication. No, if not she, I will not do like that. Oh, tie, cousin, bay, moi. Look that day. This bebe, Mama Riva for this thing. Then we are Jennifer rubbish. She carry my children picture. Now Rita say make she go carry because that picture na old picture. He tell her the way she go carry. What do make you think say if you carry that picture, I go dey cry? Those children, if you see them. Oh, that's a picture, a very old picture. They don't grow. Even my son, when you carry, the one I put for hand, may I tell you how many years we dey now? If you even see and say, you're not talking at that age, if you understand, as soon as you take top as the body. If it's your work, Bobby, but because you be adult, I not agree make it Bobby, make it slappy. No, I not agree. Rita, na she go come for there. Enjoy my media. She never enter media. Children picture that they enter media. She even make me know say Jennifer do such thing. Because I be no Jennifer and somebody one not they follow. Because she knows her big touch. She they talk any of it. Before she was talking morning my people she was still last put. A picture is sample it. Put leave it there. But Rita the time will come for you. You know, say I not be present. Person not be present. I guess what kind of they see they do for themselves too. Not so it did. But other Rita no raw. Let your song continue. Who make bay? A part of that book, a part of that was see a party no one yagan for. A party the legacy no by here, who here. Who was see a baby and no one on yagan for. Oh, die dobby. Hey, that be money rowa because we make him the evacuate. Here, Obama is sexy. Oh, one of our here, Bowa. I heard the mood and then Esther West Sister be too rich. Nobody they stand for you. Nobody. Now you hear say this woman here rotate when people know they look like they become account they support you small. The Esther that is there, better go beat you. Nothing like say you know they fight or see somebody go say don't do make una not fight again nah. You all not there like that too. Now so they will just they beat you. They beat you. Nobody they say don't do. Nobody they even they beg for you. He beg now make una leave her beg. They just leave her. They said beat her. They no give the asset. They no give the asset. You know call it no give me can help you. They no give now and the wife never call it.
Oh my God, this woman that reminds me. He no get just of a made toy. Not you see say he don't get there happy with her when he run come and come to us say he don't get you are greedy when you with down in with the baby mama they saga themselves. Eh? You are very greedy. This retainer can pretend follow people. Pretender for our own interest. Pretender. Eh? He don't get where you're off. He face another direction. Here Joshua. Come to think of it, even Sedekia, Sedekia no come join you, help you fight, defend you. Babe. How would they all live for Joshua? Only that elephant, small elephant where they Italy. Now don't they make go for her. They all live for Joshua. Oh my God, chai. Even you're also free, make boy. Now you also free. Mind your own business, so when Yore and his friend get problem, I saw this veteran carrier for head. Yore and a queen, as queen, carry Yore for head, rich. If not me, that kind of matter. I not go side. I will talk. If you don't want to talk, but I'll talk truth. That time I think I even do one video. Say Yore, you should have not. Because that girl, what he do for Yore, nobody else go fit do for her for this media. In all day. Now this veteran carrier for head, though. He carry for head, begin saga that one, they bully that one, see that one get big breasts. Begin bully, go carry cloth, carry duvet, put for chest. They bully that one, shoe, carry the fight for head. Later now, if you see sex for he and she and Iyore tomorrow, I go say, I service good, what should they do? I don't know go boy yeshe. So you they shine enter my video. I don't know go boy yeshe. I service or my sort of yeah, good way you claim say you they do. Huh? I don't know what boy I say. You're not even worse. I ever open the window, not even worse. I don't know what boy I say. It's better now. I don't know what boy I say. How? Eh? Now so tomorrow you go see say, which good you they do? I service good. Pretend that good what you they do. Yeah, I know so you know all these people you they follow, you know say you don't like them one bit. It no going happen that day. You claim say una they do party. You rush come out. One thing they don't like about no gay. He is too greedy. He no right soon he call that one. He no oh here. Oh, here. Everybody is coming out to mock to tell you their life history. You were even among the first sets that came out. Which kind of friend are you? Pretender friend. Pardon when you see they collect their fans. Oh shit. That's why you see do follow Lolo. That's why you do follow Lolo. Social media cream mother. The judgeability. You know, if they irritate, that's why people don't take it. I keep on saying it. Your judgeability, how you try to close to people, the way the ways you go about it. You know, they discourage person to even come near you. What be this? Hello? My brother. Why? Egbe wama. Egbe ma call. Mary life when me guana. Gele. Where you me? Me worry life now. Mommy love and family talk show. In real life. But you might follow. Maybe why they don't follow no follow there or no. Maybe you'll get a notification. One follow. One follow they go follow. Call my brother. Oh, how? Egbera. Okay, more. Okay. Oh, ma, call. All right, call. Yeah. The way the rate she go about the you go just know say this one are fake. If not me, person they do follow me like that, I'll be like, no, it's a turn off. Which can we see happen? It's a slow. It's a JJ things now. Which one be pepper the paddy. Pepper the friendship. When you all know say go your day of your say this one are fake. This one is faking it. Now I made a lot of times. I say, I was never your friend. You and I will be friend. That way now waiting Lolo do at that time. When Lolo reject her publicly, say, God forbid, don't be near you. Now you they befriend yourself. I'm not your friend. You are just a colleague that was calling me to complain your life and your family matter. Now make an Esther, oh, he quick fast forward, say, Esther, not come your friend. We have never your friend. You are never, now ask Lolo take beat her come up for body, shame her. Then make she quick. Come they talk, say, I'm not your friend, I'm not your friend. But first you will say, Manile Gawa, what me you say, Manile Gawa. You indirectly saying that you are close to them. You don't know what that means? You are close to them. That's what you were saying. That Manile Gawa, oh, my phone was calling she go repeat, I'm not your friend, I'm not your. Because the way Lolo take beat her come up for body shamelessly that time. Where should they do I notice me? I said this. Now my friend you be. I said this. We be friend. I said this. We be friend. Friend, no way not reach belly. We not reach mind. You know even reach lips. Why how? You see what this woman wey know her for handover. See the woman where they talk. Let me show you now. This woman wey know her for handover. Where they dey. He say if you see people, it's not so she go to greet. Call sister, call sister, call sister. You see that judgeability, you don't say where their body. But at the end of the day, when she get a chance to sneak into the people's life, she go cause commotion, destruction, separation among them, confusion among them. Maybe she still they do for this social media so. You they claim say you they support people, but you are copywriting their contents, their music. So just to make money, thief. Who does that? What kind of a friend are you? What kind of a support is that? You are a thief. You are a rogue. And in the second, that's what you are. Who does that? See, people will know. Unime, gamule. Je vais vous tayo vin. No. Awe gamu ile ye. Ila wo dobere. We area being west like area we are. See. I remember when she talk about this woman for live video one day. So this will be the lady Joy. I don't know. Even the city you had, they can't tell anything good about you. Kai! Social media you came to which day here? How many years ago here? You are enemy of all. Put together. As this saga hot fish, no reasonable presenter is really coming out to defend you. No, apart from one that baby elephant, where swell off everywhere for body. 99.9 against you. Tiffy content. Why? Because you are unda. There's no two ways about it. Unda no babohin. Susu no kilo no jilawa. No we are webu. I am you. Shame on you. See video. Just see. Just go into house. Stop making fool of yourself. You coming out trying to ziga. Abuya buegbe. Just rest. Trying to ziga. Base. Abase. I stop. Now you go sit down. Not be gaga. Esther, finish your life just the way I finished you that time. Who they beat when not they finish up with you for this social media? Who? Me, I not only finish you, I give you everlasting injury, no joke. Because I can't lose my father. You bully me when I just lost my father. You can't be saggering me. You went to go and carry my family picture and be displaying picture with me not get for my Facebook. You display my children, my ex-husband on your live stream, and you expect me not to touch your own family? You crazy? Children, when me never sample for my Facebook sisters, I dare here. You call people, ex-church members, go carry picture, we will take do celebration. You carry on. Not be your family with this. Not be your children where they hide with this. Who told you I was hiding my children? I never liked showcasing my children on media. Personal reasons. That's not to me. I didn't like it. Not me say I was hiding them. My children are so cute. People children where they're not fine. All children are fine, by the way, but children where they say they not see, you understand what I mean? They see they sample them proud. I know I mean when my own way be say me. Oh boy. Not go there. Over cuteness, over healthiness, over balancing. They worry them. They're crazy. What makes you think anybody is hiding anybody? It's just I didn't like it. Because of one reason. Not because I didn't like it, but I was not doing it because of one reason. One reason. One reasonable reason. You understand? Yeah. Only content. Look at the old media. Only tiffy content is your name. Thief. Ojibole. So Kokobiri was a choir member. You turn out to pastor. You want just to fake it, you just want to copy others by all means. Ambrose, they do Bible study, they preach. You just they look. You never even enter media when you begin carry petition, make people send me, they take deport Monica. So you love her life. You copy her a lot. I remember one birthday we celebrate, now the same cloth where Monica wear. Something like one yellow gown like that. You go buy her for AliExpress, you can't see where to do your birthday. You like to copy. You copy everyone on this media. You copy too much. So Kokobiri was just a choice member. Me, I was a choir mistress in Redeem. In Pamplona, yeah, go and ask in years back. So Kokobiri was just a choir member, choice member. You now be telling us that he's a pastor. You carry coats together. Because they preach in the beginning. You know, say if monkey go American and monkey, you know the guy they be. You know they change, you know they cambio. Monkey and monkey, even though they go America. That's why they wear a coat, they wear a agbada. You want chuka for our eyes. Says Kokobiri can look like a Nigeria. Nah lie. There's no way. If you like, we are now the agbada we did this life. We reject it. Really, chuka for our eye. We see Kokobiri, we not see no Nigeria. All the material, use and so agbada for all we care. All was your guy. When Kokobiri open mouth, no place we go. Open mouth talk. No place go tell you na Kokobiri. Even when you try the package for where Monday you ate it, my dear. If not be Panadol, it cannot be like Panadol. Why away? And every time they tell you this, thing rest. Now your choice, fine and good. But stop trying to use it to impress. May we see as Nigeria. It's not, and it can never. If it not be, rest. Though rest. And not fish out. Just rest. Rest, Bikono. But wait, we need to protest for your head, though. This content where you the thief. You don't thief my own thief. You can't tire. I don't worry. I told you continue to thief my content. It's okay. If that will make you happy, if that is my own little way of sowing seed into your parents' life, at least take the money you have from my content to buy your mother wrapper. That dirty towel is so disgusting. But you will not do. Instead, money you are earning from people content you are stealing, you use it to be packaging Kokobiri. What is your problem? Junkie play you puree. Kokobiri, they play you puree. You can't life, can't spend for man. In your life story, true life story, you said you sold an uncompleted building with bike and other things to give to a man to travel at, just to buy his love. They still disappointed you. Isn't it time that you should learn that money can't buy love? Money can't buy love. It comes naturally. Hey, F.A. Collins, my dearest brother. We need to talk, oh. I greet you, my brother. He said, my mommy look younger every day. See me, oh, what to do now? What to do? My pikin. You're leaving 1 o'clock, right? To work?
Yes.
1? Okay. I should boil rice for you?
Yes.
Okay, my darling. I'll boil the rice now, okay? You're welcome. Oh, maybe the winner. Money be See, we are not your mates. As Esther talked yesterday. We are not your mates, dear. And you know I arrange that boy. We will not big gear. I know we will not be your mate. Oh, see, I get picking where don't finish school where they work. A graduate where they work. How I can't be your mate? Next year, my second daughter is rounding up. You dey craze? If you go where? Now your own first became be 11 years. Are you mad? If I might be sure, I'm not even your mother's mate. Hisha, I don't understand. Hisha, when we enter husband as they born, you were busy going from one country to another. The to big again. Manana roda mana dear. Oh boy, makers, why the sun is shining, organize your life. You get why? So that to be there, you last car check up. Rita, now you get picky for Kitaganti, how you know the color? Ifati. We call it Ifati here. Now you get picky for Ifati. Me, I be mama. Oh, go there, oh. This is easy. They Chris. Try picky for uni. Come finish round up school, they walk. All the winner, nani boy is there, no, you know, my backbone. No massa, oh mama, all the massa yo, all the ma. Name my party, ni boy is there, no, you know, or the winner. Yet it's all anyway. I'd be when you call Coco Billy. Ah, ni boy is there. Nonsense. What kind of man is going there? We say, eh? Oh, mommy, I'm eating rice to work. I'm eating rice, mommy. Now I worry me. They have like the bar. You gotta wear beds. Now we have like the bar. Need boil is anyway. No way. Nonsense. Rubbish. Eh? I'm not your mate, so we are not of the same level. I beg. Very soon now I'll be grandmama by the grace of God. Okay, or more winner. Winner for some few time, banner. For a few years, but now you know, a fiancé way. This one demand. Oh, you know, fiancé wo. Oh, you know, don't you worry. My amugo yo. Iwa pay dari in your error. Honoga ebo. Honoga iwa pay dari. Ah, your boy. Abo alawe gbe. Ide koko kobire rodo. You don't even know what it fits you. Erodo. You don't get the key, don't even grow. People like us, they're supposed to be what they give us if you're do because we are up to the level. Wow. What's in your imagination? Now you're being sagbada or copy. Yeah, oh gas, oh my people. All more first, oh, eh? All more first. All in there first, you know. Social media can wait. My picking first. TV content, my wow. We are not your mates. Okay. We are not your mates. We are not your level. Masewe gbe, you know. Adegi yeke. No ye 30 years ya bo wakba. Ekwe mwe. Why one project 13 years? How many years ago they did they do? Mama, they do gele neo, do gele nya. I bet with my cover of pots. Do gele neo. It is well because okay where your life he come out woman pregnancy for inside belly. God forbid. He's saying buy house for Germany. He go UK, use visa to go UK that day because of trying to prove a point for Lolo. He said that go buy us for UK. Who okay, we know they even they get ahead. Your life, people where they copy fake life from, they know how to put their fake life together. Where go even look genuine for people eye, but those who are really dead sensible will not say this one not genuine. But their fake life is convincing, kind of. But your own. You don't know how to put it together. It's not convincing neither. Go visit UK. Say you don't go buy us for UK. Say you don't buy us for Germany. You were all the girls so they from backyard they enter. No frontage entrance. See bears for journey. If anyone when I'm me, big bogey. If anyone when I'm me guy. Alright, my lovely people, I go come back, make I come play Esther. Esther Woto for OGA content. Before I can go freshen up. May I first drop this video first, make I come back. So we need to protest. Say no to thieving of people content on social media. Say no to tiffy content on social media. Ash, say no to tiffy people content on social media. Rita, stop it. We are not going to tolerate it anymore. You see this big and public shame and disgrace will enter your body, so if you be person with get sense, you stop your evil by stealing people content, striking people pages. That's why I wait Emmanuel. Who is so day? If I the video you take cry, my me boy at for who will get so mongala will be continuously. Why so lying here? Because you are evil. You love to destroy people's work, people's efforts. You love to attack people pages they have suffered to build, to reduce it to nothing. And you expect your own will be good for you. Oh, waiting man, my dear. Oh, waiting man. I would ban or we are ban or yore. You all know if it better for you. Because you don't mean well for nobody. You dare say I've never ever come on this social media where you begin write petition. Carry give people made a sign to take deport another person. You will not experience deportation. You will not go prison for Italy before they deport you. You want other person to experience it. That is the heart of wickedness now. That's the height of it. You are not yet a presenter, but look at what you did indoor before you came out. Show up your ugly head. People don't know how devilish you are, but I tell you they are beginning to know. They are beginning to know your true color. That is the height of it. And now you like to seek sympathy. You can't play victim playing. You can't play victim for outside. Whereas you are evil.